I said that this jute require more nutrients, and if it will be in the other soil, if I am talking about red soil, black soil, anywhere, if the jute is growing under this condition, then pre-shower and rainfall is there. But if it started growing suddenly, it will degrade the quality of the soil. It will make the soil infertile. But alluvial soil is recharging every year. Understood? So which soil is good for it? I said that alluvial soil. Understood? So this is the condition required for, I said that, growth of what? Jute. याद हो गया? The jute के लिए temperature क्या चाहिए? 25 to 37 degrees Celsius, but at 34 degrees Celsius it is growing at better way. And then I said the rainfall in the pre-shower, just उसको March and April में we used to sow it. Sowing of the seeds at that time we need, I said that 30 to 50 centimeters उस समय चाहिए. And then growing season, that is in need of 150 centimeter rainfall. Understood it? So now this is the condition and soil required. I said that alluvial soil. समझ में आ गया? If the question come why it is only in the alluvial soil, एक आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए. समझ में आ गया why it is only in the alluvial soil? Because this is a jute who is what is going to absorb the, I said that nutrients more from the soil, and the other soil can lose क्योंकि उनको बनने में वो every year बनते नहीं है. Nutrients loss हो जाएगा, this soil will become infertile. So we are not growing any time anywhere where there is no alluvial soil, every day flood kind of situation is coming. So this is the reason for jute. Therefore it is nearby bank of the river it is growing. It is at the bank of river. Understood? और इसीलिए आप कहीं और सोच मत सकते हो कि जूट अदर रीजन में भी ग्रो किया जाता होगा. ग्रो करेंगे तो उनका बस गया काम से. So next one I said that where it is in India the jute number one, I said that West Bengal. Number one I said that in jute production is, I said that West Bengal. Earlier जब बांग्लादेश नहीं बना था and Pakistan was not formed, East Pakistan was not formed, before that India was number one in the jute production. And all along, and if you'll come into and if you'll see, I said if you see, like I said that they are the what this is a Ganga river. If I am talking about, आपको यदि दिख रहा होगा तो ये हुगली नजर नहीं आ रहा होगा, लेकिन ये गंगा river in the name of, I said that Padma it comes, and then Brahmaputra river in the name of Jamuna it comes, and the largest alluvial soil basin. Yes or not? Flood kind of and all. So therefore Bangladesh is what is the number one in the world. पहले तो हम लोग प्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे whole this region. Understood? But when India get what is in after the independence, Bangladesh become number one and India become what? Second. Understood? So if I am talking about in India में कौन है? West Bengal. And after that the more floody region you can say that in the Bihar, but especially North Bihar में ये सारे river आते हैं. Yes या no? तो Ghagra river, the Gandak, Budi Gandak, you know that there is I said that Kosi. Therefore this region is more floody. So there will be in the Bihar, especially in which region? North Bihar or South Bihar? So the second one I said that, और यहाँ पे West Bengal में ये पूरा हुगली river है और पूरा plain area and it is always it is in a flooding. तो West Bengal में कहाँ पे? हुगली river. And in the Bihar, which region I said that? Bihar में North Bihar. And which are the rivers are there? I said that which is supporting Ghagra, Gandak, Budi Gandak, Kosi. These are the rivers which are giving a large amount of what is water, alluvial soil in the nearby region. Understood? Thereafter we can be able to see, I said that in Assam. Which one I said that? Assam. Next one I said? Assam. And which river I said that? Brahma, Putra and other and its tributaries. Brahmaputra and its tributaries. Brahmaputra and its tributaries. Understood? Brahmaputra and its tributaries we are going. Is it completely okay? And thereafter I said that this is the reason I said that from the Gujarat, Andhra coastal region, it is receiving 150 centimeter rainfall. Andhra coastal region. The next one I said that Andhra coastal region. Understood? So what I said that Andhra coastal region. Condition समझ में आ गया. What is the temperature? I said that 24 to 37 degrees Celsius. And the 34 degrees Celsius is good. And then the rainfall, I said that during the March and April pre-shower monsoon required how much it is, 30 to 50 or 40 to 50 centimeter rainfall. But in the growing season during the, I said that June, July, and during this season there is need of 150 centimeter rainfall, and soil should be which one? Alluvial, along the bank of the river or coastal deltaic zone. और ये आपको क्या दिख रहा है, आंध्रा में क्या दिख रहा है, कोस्टल डेल्टाइक जोन. अंडरस्टूड? सो आई सेड दैट वेस्ट बंगाल, बिहार एंड असम एंड आंध्रा. अब इसको कैसे आप याद रखोगे? जूता, जूता समझते हो? डू यू नो दैट बंगाली कैसे पर्सन होते हैं? डरपोक टाइप के होते हैं या ब्रेव टाइप के होते हैं? कभी आप बंगाली से मिले हो, किसी बंगाली से? क्या होते हैं? डरपोक होते हैं या आसपास से? यदि आप जाओगे यूपी और बिहार साइड में, एंड हम लोग का तो पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है. सो आई एम फ्रॉम द झारखंड, पहले इट वाज इन बिहार. सो आई सेड दैट दे यूज्ड टू लिटिल डरपोक, लेकिन वो चालू होते हैं. हम लोग तो सोचते रहते हैं कि हम लोग तो स्मार्ट है, हमारे से डर गया, वो तो अपना काम निकाल के निकल गया. सो देयर व्हाट आई सेड दैट मच्छी खाते हैं. सो आई सेड दैट मोर प्रोटीन एंड ऑल. सो डरपोक थोड़ा सा. तो हमने क्या बोला, यहां से जूता मारा बंगाली ने बिहारी को. लेकिन ऐसा होता नहीं है. जूता मारा बंगाली ने किसको? बिहारी को, वो भी सामने. और वो बिहारी एक्चुअल में अंधा था, इसलिए मार के भाग गया. नहीं तो आई सेड दैट जूता मारा बंगाली ने बिहारी को. तो बंगाल, वेस्ट बंगाल, बिहार, साम में असम, एंड देन अदर आई सेड दैट यस आंध्र coastal region. Understood? Andhra Pradesh. So these are the reason, and now we are going to see having the what we are going to see the jute textile industry in India. और ये सेम है, जहां पे ग्रो हो रहा है वहीं पर जूट टेक्सटाइल. आई सेड दैट